In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect API keys in Google Antigravity. By the end, you'll have a secure connection set up so Antigravity can talk to an external service using a valid API key. This process is quick, but a little context will make it even smoother. In Antigravity, integrations are managed through something called MCP servers. Think of MCP servers as connectors that let Antigravity safely access tools and data outside the platform. To enable one, you add an API key provided by that external service. Start by opening Google Antigravity in your browser. Once you're in, look to the top right of the interface and open the Agent menu. There, click the three dots to reveal more options, then choose MCP servers. This brings up the catalog of available connectors you can enable. For this walkthrough, we'll use the Stitch integration as an example. In the search bar or list, type Stitch and locate the Stitch entry. Click it to open the details page. On this screen, choose Install. Antigravity is now ready to accept your credentials for Stitch, but the actual key is created in Stitch itself. Open a new browser tab and go to Stitch with Google.com Settings. You'll be taken to the Stitch settings area where API keys are managed. If you have multiple workspaces or permissions, make sure you're in the right account with access to create keys. On the settings page, click Create Key. Stitch will generate a new API key for you. This key functions like a secure password for programmatic access, so handle it carefully and keep it private. Copy the newly created key in full. Switch back to your Antigravity tab, where the Stitch MCP server install page is waiting. Paste the key into the API key field, then click Save. Take a second to confirm there are no extra spaces before or after the key. Even a stray character can cause a connection error. After saving, Antigravity will store the key securely and attempt to connect. You should see the Stitch integration appear as installed or active, indicating everything is linked correctly. A few quick best practices before we wrap up. Never share your API key publicly or include it in screenshots or recordings. If you suspect it's been exposed, revoke it in Stitch settings and create a fresh one. When possible, use keys with the minimum permissions needed for your workflow and periodically rotate them to maintain security. That's it. You've opened Antigravity, navigated to MCP servers, found Stitch, installed it, created a key in Stitch settings, pasted it back in Antigravity, and saved. Your integration is now connected and ready to use.